Guys, share ko lang yun ang panood ko sa Instagram. Bali, ito na yung pinaiinom ko din sa mga bata para makaiwas din sa mga sakit. And inform ko lang din kayo sa benefits ng ingredients na to or natural remedies. So, we need garlic, lemon or lime, olive oil, and honey. Konting information lang guys. So, daily consumption of raw garlic not only boosts your immune system but also helps thin the blood, prevents the hardening of arteries, and protects your brain from degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. And then yung limes or lemon, so the citric acid present in limes and lemons prevents the formation of kidney stones and also acts as a blood purifier, helping our liver to eliminate toxins more quickly. Then combine lang yung garlic, lemon in a container with a lid. Then add ka ng 10 tablespoons of olive oil. So olive oil stimulates bile production in the gallbladder, which facilitates fat digestion and improves intestinal transit. And lastly, just add 5 tablespoons of honey, and daily consumption of honey reduces stress and anxiety, lowers cholesterol levels, improves stomach health, and enhances memory. Yan, so mix the ingredients well and let it sit for 6 hours. And just take 1 tablespoon on an empty stomach, and you will helping your body to stay healthy and toxin free. So digest food better throughout the day and avoid accumulating fat in the liver. And halo-halo lang. Ayan, so I find it so healthy, kaya shinare ko lang sa inyo guys. Ito na yung ginagawa kong vitamins nila para iwas sa sakit. And sa una, iba yung lasa pero masarap siya guys. Ayan, strong na sila. Sharing is caring, and thank you for watching. Bye guys!